Hello students. Today we are going to start chapter number 15, Means of Transport. Transport help us to carry goods and passenger from one place to another. So we are going to discuss in this chapter the types of transport which help us to take the things or passengers from one place to another. Land transport. Land transport consists of train, bus, car, scooter, etc. Water transport, boat, ship, steamer. Air transport, helicopter and aeroplane. Land transport, which travels on land. Water transport, which travels in the water. Air transport, which travels in the air. So we are going to discuss first the land transport. For movement on land, railways and roadways are the two means of transport. Railways and roadways. Railways are the chief mode of transportation in India. Means it is the main mode of transportation in India, that is railways. The first train in India was started from Mumbai to Thane in 1853. The first train which started in India was from Mumbai to Thane in 1853. The Indian railway system, it is largest in Asia and second largest in the world. The Indian railway system, it is largest in Asia and second largest in the world. The Indian railway, they carry millions of passengers and heavy goods from one part of the country to another. What does railway do? It carry millions of passengers and heavy goods from one place to another. Traveling in train is cheap, okay, it is economical and comfortable also. Rajdhani and Shatabdi are super fast trains. Now the fastest train is Vande Bharat. They have speed of about 120 km per hour. The speed of Rajdhani and Shatabdi is 120 km per hour, but nowadays Vande Bharat is the fastest train. Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata, these are having local trains. People, they used to carry in these trains, means they used to travel in these trains from one place to another in the city only. So in Chennai, Mumbai and Kolkata, they are having local trains and people travel in these trains from one part of the city to another. See, this is the system of Indian Railways. The railway lines is connected through this green line and this red are the major railway stations in India. So, in here, Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai, Gurugram, Jaipur, Lucknow, Bangalore. Again, Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai, Gurugram, Jaipur, Lucknow, Bangalore. These are some places they are having intra-city railway system. Intra-city means within city a railway system is there that is called the metro. So in Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai, Gurugram, Jaipur, Lucknow and Bangalore, intra-city railway system is there, that is extra intra-city railway system. Within the city, a railway system is there that is known as metro. Gautam Budh Nagar, Noida, Gurugram, Faridabad towns are connected to Delhi by Delhi Metro. These towns are also connected to Delhi by Delhi Metro. This is the railway system, railway network of India. MMTS. MMTS full form is Multi-Modal Transportation System. Understand what is MMTS. Actually, it is a transportation of goods through two or more different means of transport. Okay, like I want to send my goods to Dubai. Okay, from Karnal, it will go to Mumbai. Okay, through land means through roadways, it will go to Mumbai or through railways. Then from there, it will go by another means of transport. Once I have used the railways or roadways, another means is I can use airways or waterways that the goods should reach to Dubai. So when two or more means of transportation is being used to carry the goods from one place to another, that is MMTS, multimodal transportation system. When more than two or more transportation system you are using for carrying the goods to another place. So what is there? MMTS, multimodal transportation system. If I want to send my goods to Dubai, I am sending till Mumbai through roadways or railways. Then from there, through waterways or airways, the goods are reaching to Dubai. So this has been introduced in Hyderabad. So first system, this MMTS, it was introduced in Hyderabad. In the hilly regions, if I talk like Shimla, Darjeeling, Udaga Mandalam, which is Ooty, trains look like a toy trains. They are called their toy trains. They are not as much as large as our trains are there, but these are toy trains. Small coaches are there. In the difficult times such as wars, famines, extreme scarcity of food, floods, overflow of water beyond its normal limit. So railway help us to carry the men and material. So in the difficult time, war, famines, floods, railway help us to carry men and material from one place to another. There is a proposal, means there is an offer to operate bullet trains in India. Means bullet trains will also come in India in very soon, in near future. The first bullet train will run between Mumbai and Ahmedabad via Surat, Vadodara and other towns of Gujarat. So the first bullet train, the upcoming project which is going to come, that is from Mumbai to Ahmedabad. The bullet train will go Mumbai to Ahmedabad via these cities. So the Surat, covering the Surat, Vadodara and other towns of Gujarat also. It will reach Ahmedabad. Bullet trains have a speed over 320 kilometers per hour. The speed of bullet train is 320 kilometers per hour. See the picture of a bullet train and a metro. Roadways. India is having very well developed roads that are made travel easier and faster. There are 5 divisions of the roadways: expressways, national highway, state highways, district roads, rural or village roads. This is the transportation system of India, means the roadways. So what are expressways? Are the highest class of roads in India. They are 6 lane or 8 lane controlled access highways, means they used to control the traffic. There should be no traffic jam. It is through the expressway only. It maintains the traffic. They are 6 lane or 8 lane, so they control the traffic very easily. Where entrance and exit are controlled by the use of slip roads. There are slip roads which connect to the expressways. Means the another roads which is connecting you to the expressways. Like this is a slip road which is connecting to this expressway. Okay, these are the expressway. This is a picture of expressway. National highways connect important cities, state capitals and seaports. So national highway, they connect important cities, state capitals and seaports. The national highways from Amritsar to Kolkata is called the Grand Trunk Road or GT Road. So the highway from Amritsar to Kolkata is known as GT Road, that is Grand Trunk Road. Few years ago, very wide national highway have been built. They connect Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata. This is called Golden Quadrilateral. See, connecting Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai and Mumbai. This yellow Golden Quadrilateral it is making. So this is an expressway and this is a highway. State highways connect important towns and cities in a state. So state highways are connecting important towns and cities in a state, but your national highways are connecting cities, state capitals and seaports. So they are connecting towns and cities in a state. In village, most of the roads are kacha. Kacha means they are not motorable roads. They are kacha roads. Whenever rainfall is there, the pits will be there. So bullock carts are generally used for these roads. So in villages, roads are kacha. So there the roads, for that road, bullock cart is being used. Some farmers have tractor also. They used to carry the goods from one place to another. One of the highest road in the world runs from Himachal Pradesh to Leh in Ladakh. So one of the highest roads which is in the world that runs from Himachal Pradesh to Leh in Ladakh. From Himachal Pradesh to Leh in Ladakh. Waterways. Water transport is cheaper than rail and road transport. Means it is much cheaper. It is much economical. We can afford it. So water transport is common in places which are having rivers and canals. There the people use water transport, the places which are nearby the river and canals. That is your coastal plains. That is your coastal plains. In the sea, ships are used. They carry the passengers and goods from one place to another. You all know India has a long coastline and the ports are connected to each other and other countries also. So the ports are connected to each other and other countries also. So in India, there are many rivers and water bodies, steamers, boats, ferries. These three waterways are used to carry the passenger in the big rivers. So these are your ports and this is your coastal area. Airways. Aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. Aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. It is very expensive, means everybody cannot afford it. Rich people can afford it, not everyone. Aeroplanes and helicopters are very useful in floods and famines. Means they used to drop the food packets from the helicopters, from the aeroplanes, and medicines also. They also help us to reach those places where railway, roadway cannot reach, like the mountain area, the hilly area, which are difficult to connect by road. Means in mountain area and hilly area where there are no roads, no railway can go there. There your aeroplane goes. This is your major international airports. So, aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. It is very expensive. Helicopters and aeroplanes. They are very useful in famine and flood. They used to drop the food packets and your medicines. If I want to go to the mountain area or hilly area where there is no road and no railway system have been developed there, then I can go by airways. Air transport help us to carry on trade with other countries. With other country means with foreign country we can carry on trade with the help of air transport. So air transport was started in India in 1911. So remember, in 1911 it was started. Some major airlines of our country are Air India, Go Air, Indigo, SpiceJet. These four are the major airlines of our country. These are the important international airports. Some of there is written in your book. I am telling you that Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport in Mumbai, Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, Mumbai, Subhash Chandra Bose Airport of Kolkata, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport of Kolkata, Chennai International Airport. This is Chennai International Airport. Indira Gandhi International Airport in New Delhi. New Delhi is Indira Gandhi International Airport. Rajiv Gandhi is in Hyderabad. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport of Hyderabad. Kempegowda International Airport of Bangalore. It is Kempegowda. Okay, Kempegowda International Airport of Bangalore. Trivandrum of Tiruvananthapuram. It is International Airport of Tiruvananthapuram. Kochi International Airport, that is in Kochi. Kochi International Airport in Kochi. Shri Guru Ram Das Ji International Airport of Amritsar. Shri Guru Ram Das Ji Airport of Amritsar. And Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel of Ahmedabad. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel of Ahmedabad. So these are the major international airports that I have discussed with you now only in the map work. So recapitulation, you have to do yourself. Question 1. Name the 4 cities connected by Golden Quadrilateral. Question 2. When did air transport started in India? Question 3. Write full form of MMTS. Question 4. Which was the first train started in India? Thank you and have a nice day.